Another CES, another long shoe day. Well, Oskar, you guys focus on safety, especially with regards to feet and so forth. Why don't you tell us about your solution?
Exactly. So actually, Zortec, we are tech provider of smart footwear solution. So we have different applications and technologies for different sectors. Here we present the smart safety shoe. So if you take the workers, they have safety shoe, but it's protect them only from external element. What we want to create actually, it's a better workplace for workers and to take care about their health in general. So we actually have different features. For example, we can detect when the worker is a pronator or supinator. And then we can give a real solution. This is what we are doing today in the factories. There is 3D printing machine, and we can give him a measurement. With this measurement, he can print in real time an insert to put in his shoe, and he will become balanced. This will avoid back issues because 80% of the back issues coming because of the bad postures. Here we have actually possibility to detect different positions, different postures of workers. So my colleague, for example, you see he is now kneeling, he is crouching. You can show what he's doing, and we can also detect on tiptoes. Why it's so important? By the end of the day, we can take the total time that the workers are actually on these positions, and we can say when it's too much, because when it's more than 2.5 hours on these positions, this will create back issues, this will create fatigue, and this actually by the end of the day bring the workers to lose a lot of days job. So by the end of the day, it's to protect the workers in general and to avoid injuries, to avoid this huge amount of days that workers actually cannot work due to this fatigue. And basically, this is the future. This is the future.
And what really makes it powerful is you're getting the data and you're putting it into an app so you can analyze things,
exactly.
Right?
The way that it's working, we have actually an electronic box. It's only 7 grams. This electronic box we can put in the shoe. And we have the application. So the connection is going via Bluetooth. So our electronic box that in the shoe connect to our application. And this basically the way that we can get all this information and send it actually to the center to collect the information, to collect the data, and by the end of the day to get conclusions what should be done in order to create a better place for workers, to avoid injuries. This is by the end of the day our major goal here. And we are the worldwide first company who is able to do it because we are the first one that integrated the electronics into the shoe.
So and these are insoles. So with those insoles, how often do you have to charge them?
Okay, so this is a good question. The electronics that we can put actually in the shoe, for instance, it can be charged one time in a month. Okay, so it's quite, let's say if we take 8 hours of average, let's say, work day, by the end of the day, after 1 month, you need to charge it. After 2.5 hours, you're ready to move again. I mean, so it's not really something that bothers you.
Now, you're from France, your company. Do you have these installed in the field? Are people using them?
Actually, now we are running the first production. We signed a contract with some major players in this market. We signed contract with different companies, with Elta and UVEX from Germany, with Caterpillar, and we are now actually in process to sign many other contracts. Because by the end of the day, I want to explain something. Why this is the future? You know that what is important for the health insurance company today.
That was going to be my question.
Exactly. So actually, I knew that you are going to ask me about it because they are interested to reduce the amount of money. It's huge amount of money that they are paying because there is workers that get injured, because workers actually had health issues, and they, I think in 1-2 years from now, they will oblige the factories to use our technology. I can tell you more than that. The factory that will come to the insurance company and will tell them, hey, we have now the possibility to reduce drastically the injuries of our workers. The insurance company will be more than happy to reduce their fee that they are paying for the insurance. So it's a win-win-win situation here.
Excellent. Well, so when do you expect to see this in the U.S.?
Actually, September 2018. We will be in the market, and of course, from here we will just continue growing.
Excellent. Well, Oskar, congratulations and good luck.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. Thank you.